Today, I'll walk you through how to find someone you unfriended on Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to retrieve that information so you can reconnect with friends you may have lost touch with. Let's dive right in. First, open Snapchat on your phone. This is where all the magic happens. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The core functions remain the same, just like how every smartphone has a unique design, but the apps work similarly. Next, navigate to the chat section. You can do this by swiping right from the camera screen. This will take you to your conversations where you can see all your friends and chats. Now, click on your avatar located in the upper left corner of the screen. This is your profile icon, and it will lead you to your account settings. Think of it as the front door to your Snapchat home. It gives you access to everything inside. Once you're in your profile, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. This is your settings menu. Clicking on it is like opening a toolbox. It provides you with all the tools you need to customize your Snapchat experience. Scroll down until you find the option labeled My Data. This is where you can access your account information. It's similar to checking your bank statement to see your transaction history. You'll be able to see what's happened with your account. Now, toggle the radio buttons for the items you want to include in your report. This is like selecting which toppings you want on your pizza. You can choose what's most relevant to you. After that, click Next. The app will then ask if you want to export data from a specific date range. Choose the dates that you want to include in your report. This step is crucial as it helps you narrow down the time frame for when you may have unfriended someone. Finally, a file will be downloaded to your device. This file will show you the reports of who you unfriended during the specific time period you selected. It's like receiving a detailed report card on your social interactions. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.